now we got some cases to deal with. Okay, first let's deal with this one. This one is a mouthful. They call this one the housing door case cover battery back cover rare for the Nokia Lumia 520. It's the back cover for the Nokia 520. All right, the Lumia 520. The first one I had, well, the original one, the buttons came loose. The power button and the volume button. The camera button was still in place, but the power button and the volume button, that's the first thing that went. And I had to use a pen or a pencil or my key or a pin to power up the phone to change the volume and stuff. Yeah, so I purchased this one, and it was exactly like the original. Made of the same plastic, same genuine stuff or whatnot. Yeah, I wasn't disappointed at all. So I said, okay, good. I have my Nokia back in place. So, all right, so it just clips on, snaps into place. All right, so I said, good, my Nokia is back online. Good. So then I said, okay, to protect my phone, so I purchased this hybrid case. I love the hybrid cases. You got the rubber part and then you got the plastic part. All right, so the rubber goes on first. All right. Yep. And then the plastic. So I said, okay, good, my phone, good to go. But I still was able to damage the screen. The screen cracked. So this don't really protect your screen. It don't prevent you from sitting on it and in your back pocket and breaking the screen. Yeah, that's what I did. But if it drops, yes, it will protect it because you got that nice rubber and the plastic thing there. But after about 2 months, look what happened. This plastic cracked. Yeah, it broke in about 2 places. Not that very strong. So I said, nah, I wouldn't invest in that again. So my Nokia is kind of sick now. Yeah. I thought this hybrid case would have protected, fully, but it didn't. Oh well. Thumbs down for this one. All right, one more case to deal with. All right, now this case is for the Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet. That's the 7th generation one. It comes with 3 pieces. You got the rubber part, then you got this hard plastic, then you got this front piece. Okay, kind of very firm. Yeah, not that soft and flimsy. Okay, now let's install it. It's a little tricky to install sometimes, but not that. All right, so you put your tablet into this plastic part first, then clip this on. Yeah, it just snaps into place, and then you place your rubber over it. All right. Now, yes, it protects it. I dropped this maybe about 20 times already, and it's still working perfect. Right? I like the little stand at the back, so you can have it like this. Oh, you can even go vertical. Oh, next way around. Oh, yeah, I just love my little case. All right, and it snaps in place, so it wouldn't slide off. Right? And there you go. So, yes, I just love the hybrid cases. So this definitely, would I buy it again? No, I don't think I'll have need to, because this maybe will last me forever. Although the rubber feels a little, to me the rubber is stretching a little bit. I have to stop removing it. Yeah, it's feeling a little stretchy, but since I purchased it, this is the first time I removed the rubber, just to demonstrate here. Alright, so this hybrid case for the Fire HD 8 tablet, I give it a thumbs up. Yeah.